Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if you have been wondering why drones have been exploding in popularity lately, well, basically the reason is that they are super fun. And if you're looking for a great beginner drone for either your child or for yourself, then I definitely recommend giving this Tomzon mini drone a try. This drone is so adorable and cute because it can fit in the palm of my hand. The remote and the drone pair to each other automatically. The drone has really playful and colorful lights that operate as you use it, and you can see these lights anytime you use the drone, but it's especially fun when you use it in the evening time. I personally have never been great at using a remote control to control any kind of toy. I'm just not really coordinated that way, so I think me using it is probably the equivalent of a child using it. But after I got the hang of it, I found the remote and the drone really easy to control and use. It has a few cool features that any kid will go nuts over. It has a 360 flip button on the remote that makes the drone do flips in the middle of the air. The lights on the drone makes these flips have an extra special effect. There are a few ways that you can get this drone to take off, but one of the coolest features is the fact that once the remote and the drone are both turned on, you simply have to throw the drone in the air and it immediately starts flying. As I was learning how to use it, I did have a few bumps and a few falls, but the drone had no problem flying again. It comes with 2 batteries and a charging cord, so when one battery runs out, you can simply plug it into charge and keep playing with the drone. This drone makes an awesome gift that any kid will be excited about. My husband and I personally plan to gift it to our really good friend's little boy if we can part with it ourselves. But that's just my point of view.